Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. We're going to do a quick one today. I see a lot of y'all been doing this smoked queso, so I'm going to do my version of it. Roadhouse style, of course. You know, it's kind of along the same lines as everybody else. So let me show y'all what we got over here. And some of this has been pre-done, so just to save time. But basically we've got I think that's 16 ounces of Velveeta. We cut that up. And this looks like a lot right here. That's 4 ounces of shredded pepper jack. And back here we got 4 ounces of shredded cheddar. We've got a whole can, 10-ounce can of the Rotel. This is just chopped up about a half a bag of white onion, which I already prepped. And a couple of jalapenos, or one big jalapeno sliced up. And then also what I did, gang, I took and browned, let me back up a second. I took and browned 1 pound, it's kind of cooled off now, 1 pound of ground meat, drained it, and I added 1 package of taco seasoning to it. So basically, let me get all this put in here. I'm going to bring y'all back in just 1 second. Let me get repositioned. Alright, we're back. So what we're going to do, gang, we're going to take and dump our Velveeta in here. And I hope this all fits in my black iron skillet. We're going to dump our Velveeta in there. That junk out of the way. Make some room here. I think we'll be alright. Alright. Then we're going to dump in our cheddar. Extra sharp. Come on in there, don't be scared. Alright. Then we're going to dump in our pepper jack. Right there. That pepper jack look good. Yeah, it looks like a lot for 4 ounces, doesn't it? But when you shred it, I guess it grows. I don't know, but hey, I ain't complaining. Alright. Alright, that's that. So, alright, y'all got all that. We got a pound of ground meat, 1 packet of taco seasoning. Drain your ground meat. Don't put all that grease in there in your dip. You don't want that. 4 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar, 4 ounces of shredded pepper jack, and I'll say 16 ounces of the Velveeta there. And we're just going to take and sprinkle these onions over the top right here. Good enough, folks. Now jalapenos, I'm just going to lay them in there, y'all. I mean, you can chop them up if you want to. That's totally up to y'all. Totally up to y'all. There you go, bud. All right. And we're going to do our Rotel. Juice and all. 10-ounce can. So I'm just glad it all fit in the pan there. Alright, that junk out of the way. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit that with a little bit of smoked paprika. Just for a little hint, man, you know. Alright. Alright, gang, ain't that pretty? Nice, huh? I like it. So I got the Weber out there. We're going to go indirect on the Weber and put this on there. We're going to smoke it with some hickory. But it look nice, huh, y'all? Let me back up right here. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Cool, huh? Alright. So let's get this out on the Weber, gang. I'll meet y'all outside. Alright, gang. Well, welcome back, man. It's raining. I'm under the canopy. It was raining out here. I had to move my Weber under the canopy there, but there she is, guys. We're gonna put us some hickory on here. So you know how I like to do mine. We're gonna smoke it. We're gonna let it roll, man. Stir my coals up a little bit. There we go. Shut this down. Black iron cooking on the Weber, y'all. Smoked queso. Hot diggity. Alright, we'll check back on this in just a little bit. Alright, y'all, it's been about 40 minutes. Let's check on this stuff and see. We get about 275, somewhere in that neighborhood. So I did add some more, couple of wood chips, but boy, that's nice looking, huh? If y'all can see all that with the smoke cleared. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let's stir this stuff up. Alright, gang, let me get all this incorporated. I probably had to add a little milk to it. So let me do that and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, y'all, we added a little milk to this. Looking mighty fine, man. It's been about an hour. But we're running low, you know, indirect there. Oh, yeah, man. Boy, that smells good. Now put just a little bit of smoke on it, y'all. Not a whole bunch. I'm gonna get stupid with it. Get that old bitter taste, you know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But oh yeah, man. It's looking pretty darn good, y'all. And with the pound of ground meat and the rest of the measurements on the cheese, I think that's just right. Look, you get some ground meat, there's some cheese, and you got some onions. You get the rotel in there. I think that's just right. And I've been wanting to make this for a while. And put the lid back on. We're gonna let it stay happy for a little while. So we'll be back in just a little bit. Alright, gang, it's been probably a couple of hours or so. Let's see. Oh yeah, it smells pretty good. Oh, look at that. And that's just right, I think. Give it a good stir, and we're gonna try this junk and see how it came out. So my jalapenos didn't break down, and that's okay. So I'll let them like that. It's not super hot, it's probably just warm, but let's give it a try. As good as a chip. Y'all want to see how this stuff is. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. What kind of good is, you know, I gotta, come on, where's my jalapeno? Little rascal. Give me that one right there. Well, look, I'm dripping, but that's okay because we're out in the grass. So. Y'all, that's good. Jalapeno in case of rotel or heat. Taco seasoning in the ground meat. Now, let's do that again, just to make sure. Oh, heck yeah, man. Maybe one more. One more just for good measure. Over there. Yeah, that's really good. Give me some of that onion. There you go, Jezebel. Get some cheese dip. Cheers, y'all. Just enough smoke off the hickory. Yeah, it's really good. Alright. Well, I'm going to go inside and share this before I eat it all. Anyway, hey, we'll catch y'all next time. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye-bye.